Typhoon Nika, internationally named Toraji, made landfall in Aurora on the morning of Monday, November 11th, before advancing across Northern Luzon, according to the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, PAGASA. As the Philippines' 14th tropical cyclone of 2024, Typhoon Nika is bringing intense winds and moderate to torrential rainfall to parts of Luzon. Strong winds and heavy rain continued to lash parts of Aurora and Isabela provinces on Monday, November 11th, displacing over 3,500 families due to the impacts of Typhoon Nika. The Isabela Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office reported that at least 5,220 people from 1,783 families were evacuated across 16 towns in the province alone. In Aurora, the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council stated that 5,244 people, or approximately 1,834 families, were staying in designated evacuation centers. Flooding has also hit rice fields in Kakilingan, Cordon, Isabela, due to Typhoon Nika, as noted by resident Jen Dumanging, who reported stronger winds in a message to Rappler. In Manila, PAGASA warned of intense to torrential rains in the Cordillera Administrative Region and Cagayan Valley region due to Typhoon Nika. As of 5 p.m., Monday, PAGASA indicated that Aurora, Cagayan, Abra, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Benguet, Ifugao, Mountain Province, Kalinga and Apayao could experience up to 200 millimeters of rainfall through Tuesday afternoon. Heavy to intense rains are also expected in Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela and La Union, while moderate to heavy rains may continue over Nueva Ecija, Tarlac and Pangasinan. PAGASA warned that mountainous and elevated areas may see even higher rainfall, increasing the risk of landslides and floods in some areas due to prior heavy rainfall. PAGASA had previously raised signal number 4 in northern Aurora, central and southern Isabela, Kalinga, Mountain Province, northern Ifugao, central and southern Abra, and northern and central Ilocos Sur. The typhoon is expected to generate rough seas and storm surges, which could endanger coastal communities in northern Luzon. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has urged residents to evacuate if advised by local authorities.
Dumaan na sa patatas. Crop damage. Ayun ang bahay, bumalik ang dati.
Typhoon Nika has led to thousands of evacuations, port closures, and the cancellation of classes and government operations. This storm follows 3 cyclones within the last month, which collectively caused 159 deaths. PAGASA reported that Typhoon Nika would traverse mainland Luzon on Monday, emerging over the sea west of Ilocos Sur by the afternoon or evening. Known internationally as Toraji, Nika has strengthened rapidly, with PAGASA confirming that as of Monday, November 11th, it is moving west-northwest at 20 km per hour, with maximum sustained winds of 120 km per hour and gusts of up to 150 km per hour. The storm's center was last observed about 100 kilometers southeast of Casiguran, Aurora. This intensification has prompted authorities to issue various tropical cyclone wind signals across Luzon with signal number 4 in the northernmost part of Aurora and several areas in Cagayan Valley. PAGASA predicts that Nika may make another landfall over Isabela or northern Aurora later in the day, bringing severe rainfall and winds to disaster-prone regions. After crossing Luzon, it is expected to weaken into a severe tropical storm as it moves westward into the West Philippine Sea. In response, the Philippine government activated its disaster preparedness protocols. The Department of the Interior and Local Government DILG has ordered preemptive evacuations in over 2,500 barangays in the storm's path, especially those prone to flooding and landslides. Secretary Yonvic Remula, who also serves as Vice Chair of the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, advised readiness and coordinated response efforts across the country. Strong winds and torrential rains have severely impacted northern Luzon. displacing thousands of residents from their homes in affected areas. Relief operations are underway, with local authorities setting up temporary shelters for evacuated families. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, PAGASA, has warned of potential landslides and flash floods in mountainous regions, especially in areas with significant rainfall in recent weeks.